It's your boy Bars, and we back with another one on Elite Eats. And today we in Texas, and we trying out the Breakfast Brothers. This spot located in Oak Cliff, Texas. This was a nice ambiance. It had a real homey feeling, real soulful vibes. The menu was extensive. It had a bunch of different breakfast options than I'm used to. Started with the water because it was hot as fuck, and I needed me a cafecito, a little coffee. Started with this catfish and grits with the fried egg and the Texas toast. Look at them grits. Look at that catfish. Ooh, the catfish was breaded to perfection. It was nice and complete. Ooh, had to pour a little bit of the gravy on it, and boy, this shit was bussin'. This shit was too good. Too good. I'm not gonna hold you. It was flaky, it was crunchy, and yeah, it paired so well with the gravy that I couldn't put that shit down. And look at that cheese pull on these cheesy grits. Look at that pull. Man, these was good as hell. I'm not even the biggest grits fan, but it paired well. I've never had catfish and grits for breakfast, but I decided to make my own little breakfast sandwich, and you know that bitch was bussin', man. I ain't gonna lie, the combination of everything coming together made the happy dance come out. I couldn't put it down. Your boy had to do it. Then I got this lobster mac. Look at that. Look at that fucking lobster mac, man. That was, woo! It was creamy. It had a nice portion of lobster on it, and boy, this was amazing. This was amazing. Full of flavor. I know it was like breakfast, brunch time, so yeah, but I needed it, and I needed more after this. What? Shit made the happy dance come out. Next up was these lamb chops with the hash browns, the fried egg, and the Texas toast. Look at it. I've never had lamb chops for breakfast, but here goes nothing. Ooh, that shit was nice and tender, juicy. It was giving like steak and egg vibes, but I definitely would do this again. It was a first, but it definitely won't be a last. This shit was gas. This shit was straight gas. I had to order this fried chicken. I'm in the South, man. You know I needed the fried chicken breast, had to give it a try. And yeah, this was full of flavor. It was good, but everything else was so fire that shit just seemed basic. I ain't gonna hold you. So I had to go back to that lobster mac. I had to go back to that catfish, because them Jones had my heart. And after that, I was way too full. Had to fuck it up and get out of there because I literally had no space for nothing else. So if you're ever in Dallas, Texas, make sure to check out the Breakfast Brothers. You won't regret it. This is the one, not the two. It got everything you looking for. And just like that, we gone.